Before we start learning prenatal yoga, please make a note. All the asanas and exercises shown in my video are for normal pregnancy only, that is, pregnancy without any complications. You can start these workouts in your 4th month. Anyone with low-lying placenta or any other complications should consult your gynec before starting pregnancy yoga. If your doctor allows, it is preferred that you exercise under the supervision of a certified trainer.
Namaste and welcome back to Yog Mantra. This is Bhavika. This is our 6th episode of prenatal yoga series on our channel. We are going to be up with 2 new asanas, that is Janu Shirshasana and Chakki Chalanasana. Let's see how we do them. Janu Shirshasana helps you calm down your mind first of all. It helps you stretch your shoulders, your entire spine, your hamstrings, your groin area. It helps you improve the digestion. And very importantly, it helps you get relief of the fatigue. जो थकावट आपको महसूस होती है प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम, आपको रिलैक्स करता है ये आसन. It helps you get rid of the anxiety and it really calms you down. So let's see how we do it. We start with spreading your legs wide, around 3.5 feet distance. Your knees have to be straight. We're doing a modified version of Janu Shirshasana, or head to knee pose. So I'm going to bend my right knee and bring it closer to my perineum or my groin. All I have to do is, with my left hand, I'm going to try and stretch. If you can hold your big toe, you'll hold your big toe. If you can't, you can hold your ankle or your calf. Whatever you find is comfortable. Inhale and give a big stretch to your body. So your right hand is just going above your head, along your ears, and you look up to the ceiling and you hold the posture. Let's hold it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale and release. Same thing we repeat on the other side as well. So you're going to stretch your right leg, bend the left knee in, hold your right big toe with your right hand if you can reach there. Inhale, you're going to stretch your left hand up above your head, along your ears, and hold up for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale, release and relax. You can sit in Sukhasana and relax your body for some time. हमारा second आसन जो है वो है चक्की चलान आसना, or what we call as churning mill pose. This pose is not very difficult. It is just an imitation of a hand moving stone grinder commonly used in Indian villages. So बहुत साल पहले पुराने ज़माने में जिस तरह से हम पत्थर की चक्की यूज़ करते थे आटा बनाने के लिए, बिल्कुल उसी तरह से एक्सरसाइज करनी है ये वाली. Chakki Chalan Asan helps you tone your nerves, tone your organs of the pelvis. It helps you strengthen your abdomen. So strong abdomen important है pregnancy के time. And it also helps blood circulation throughout your body. So you spread your legs and imagine there is this churning mill or chakki and you're going to start rotating. जब हम rotate कर रहे हैं तो हम पूरा body आगे ले रहे हैं. So you feel the inner thigh stretch when you're doing this. कोशिश करेंगे कि हम knees को bend नहीं करें. Okay? So हम अब उल्टा जा रहे हैं. So we are going anti-clockwise as well. So few rounds anti-clockwise like this. And as you do, feel the stretch in your inner thighs, your hamstrings, and breathe. So आप इस तरह से कुछ rounds कर सकते हैं. Maybe start with 10 rounds clockwise and anti-clockwise, and then increase the number. With these 2 asanas, you can also club in these exercises. Okay, so again 3 feet distance between both your legs, your knees are straight. You will stretch both your hands forward and just start moving forward and backward. Just like how we do a roti, how we roll a roti with the rolling pin. 1, 2, 3. You can do 10 rounds of these. इसके साथ आप एक static pose भी कर सकते हैं, that's holding pose. So you'll just stretch your hands forward. आप जितना comfortable लगते हैं आपको लगता है. So you're going to stretch and just hold. So let's hold in for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax, release. याद रखना है जब भी हम इस तरह का फॉरवर्ड बेंड करें आपको बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल लगना चाहिए, especially in your abdomen. To sum it up, We did Janu Shirshasana, which is head to knee pose. We did Chakki Chalanasana, which is the churning mill pose, and two related exercises. If you like what I'm teaching, do like, share and comment on my videos. You can subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get my latest updates. Thank you so much. Namaste. Have a great day, all of you.